Good morning, my dear pupils. Now we are going to continue with Unit 9, Along the Nile, Lesson 2. Now, my dear pupils, I need you to open page 40. Exercise number 1, look, listen, and read. We're going to talk about wild animals in Africa. The first animal we're going to talk about is elephant. The first thing we're going to talk about is the elephant. The elephant is the biggest land animal. It has a long trunk. It has tusks made of ivory. It grows up to 3 meters. So the elephant is the biggest land animal, lives on the land animal. It has a long trunk. Trunk means the nose of the elephant. Tusks are the two teeth coming out of its mouth. They are made of ivory. The tusks can grow up to 3 meters tall. Land animal is the animal lives on land. The trunk is the nose of an elephant. Here the picture will make it very clear. So you can see the tusks, two white, as if the teeth coming out of its mouth. Tusks are the two long pointed teeth of an elephant. Ivory is a hard white material of the tusks of an elephant. The second animal we are going to talk about is the rhino. The rhino is the second biggest land animal. It has 2 horns on its nose. It eats grass and plants. The horns, now in the picture, my dear pupils, you can look with the arrows, it's pointing to them. The horns are the hard-pointed things that grow on the head of an animal. These 2 things point the things coming out of its head of the rhino. These are called horns. The third animal we are going to talk about is the giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest land animal. So the elephant is the biggest animal that lives on the land. The biggest land animal, and the rhino is the second biggest land animal, but the giraffe is the tallest land animal. It grows up to 5 meters tall. It has a very long tongue. It eats the leaves of acacia trees. Look to the picture, my dear pupils, so you will be able to understand. Tongue. It is a small part inside the mouth that is used for tasting and eating the food. But here the giraffe has a long tongue. Acacia trees, they grow on warm countries and they have small leaves, okay? These are the kind of leaves or trees that the giraffes eat from. The fourth animal we're going to talk about is the hippo. The hippo has short legs. It has a very big mouth and big teeth. It is often in water. It is good at swimming. The hippo has short legs, big mouth, and big teeth. It is often in water and it is good at swimming. Now, my dear pupils, we're going to start with exercise number 2, page 40. read and complete. Number 1, here we have sentences and we are going to write the name of the animal that describes that these sentences describe. We have elephant, rhino, giraffe, and hippo. Number 1, this is the tallest animal. Which one of these animals is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Giraffe. Number 2, this has a long trunk. Long trunk. Very good. Elephant. Elephant. Number 3, this has horns on its nose. Which one? Rhino. Rhino. Number 4, this is the biggest land animal. The biggest land animal. Excellent. The elephant. Elephant. Number 5, this is good at swimming. Which one of them is good at swimming? The hippo. Hippo. Number 6, this has a big mouth. Which one of them? Correct. Hippo. Hippo. Now, my dear pupils, open page 41. Exercise number 1, look, listen, and read. Now we're going to read about the same animals we were talking about and how fast can it run. Each animal, how fast can it run. The elephant can run 40 kilometers per hour. The rhino 45 kilometers per hour. Hippo 48 kilometers per hour, and the giraffe 50 kilometers per hour. Exercise number 2, read and put in order. Who is the fastest animal? Which you're going to put them in order by writing the numbers. Okay, let's read first and then we will put the pictures in order. The first picture is already done. Number 1, the giraffe, which means that it is the fastest animal of them. Number 2, the elephant. Number 3, the hippo. Number 4 is the rhino. Let's read. Hippos run more quickly than rhinos. Run more quickly than rhinos. So the hippos are faster than the rhinos. Elephants run less quickly than rhinos. Less quickly than rhinos. Giraffes run the most quickly of them all. Run the most quickly of them all. Elephants run the least quickly of them all. So the fastest animal is the giraffe and the least one quickly of them all is the elephant. So the fastest is the giraffe and the slowest one of them is the elephant. So to put them in order, number 1 is already done, the giraffe. Number 2, what comes in rank number 2? The hippo. Beside the picture of the hippo, write number 2. What comes after number 3 will be the rhino. Number 3, the rhino. And of course, the slowest one of them is the elephant. So you're going to put number 4 beside the elephant. Exercise number 3, read and reorder to make sentences. Here we are going to reorder or rearrange the sentences to make a correct sentence. Number 1, run more quickly, hippos, and beside it full stop, than giraffes starts with the capital letter. So we are going to start always with the word that starts with the capital letter. We will say giraffes, giraffes, the noun, and then we will search for the verb. Number 2 comes the verb. Giraffes run more quickly than hippos. This is the right sentence. Giraffes run more quickly than hippos. Number 2, less quickly, hippos, full stop, rhinos, R is capital, than run. So Rhinos run less quickly than hippos. Rhinos run less quickly than hippos. Number 3, elephants start with the capital letter, less quickly, run, giraffes, full stop, than. So we are going to start with the noun that starts with the capital letter. Elephants run, the verb, less quickly than giraffes. Now, my dear pupils, open page 42. Exercise number 4. Look and check and then write. Okay? Now, you have 3 pictures of rhino, hippo, and elephant. Which one of them run most quickly? Of course, the hippo is the one that runs most quickly of them all. So we are going to write hippos run the most quickly of them all. Hippos run the most quickly of them all. And make a check beside the hippo. Now the other, number 2, we have the comparison between the hippo, the giraffe, and the rhino. Which one runs the least quickly? Of course, the rhino. So we're going to make a check beside the rhino's picture, and then we are going to write the sentence. Rhinos run the least quickly of them all. Picture number 3, the comparison between the giraffe, the elephant, and the hippo. And we're going to compare according to run most quickly. Which one runs the most quickly of them? Of course, the giraffe. So make a check beside the giraffe's picture and then write, giraffes run the most quickly of them all. Giraffes run the most quickly of them all. Exercise number 5, ask and answer. Which animal do you like best? For example, I like giraffes best. I like the hippos best. I like so and so best. This is how we answer the question. Which animal do you like best? I like so and so best. Now, my dear pupils, open page 43. Exercise number 1, read and check. Letter A, picture letter A is for the hippo. Letter B is the rhino. Letter C is the giraffe. Letter D is for the elephant. We're going to read the text and we're going to make a check beside the animal we are going to talk about. My name is Aya. I love animals. I want to be a vet because vets help animals to be healthy. My favorite animal is the hippo. The hippo. They are big and fat, but they are very strong. I think they are cute, but they are dangerous too. They can run faster than rhinos, and they are very heavy. Hippos live near lakes and rivers in Africa. They like swimming and eating plants. They usually live in groups. There can be 100 hippos in one group. My favorite pencil is red and it has pictures of hippos on it. So here in this text, my dear pupils, we are talking about Aya and her favorite animal, the animal she likes the best, and she was talking about the hippo. So now make a check beside the hippo's picture. She's talking about the hippo, that it is big. The hippos are big and fat. They are very strong. They are cute, but they are dangerous too. They can run faster than rhinos and they are very heavy. They live near lakes and rivers in Africa. They can swim, they eat plants, and they usually live in groups. One group of hippos can consist of 100 hippos. Her favorite for Aya, her favorite pencil is red, and there are pictures of hippos on it. Exercise number 1. This was considered like a comprehension. You read the passage and then you're going to answer the questions according to what you read. Number 1, read and answer the questions. Number 1, what job does Aya want to do? What was the job she wanted to do? Aya wants to be a vet. A vet because vets take care of animals because she loves animals very much. Number 2, why does Aya like hippos? Because they are very strong, fast, and they are cute. Number 3, why are hippos dangerous? Because they are strong, big, and fat. Number 4, where do hippos live? Hippos live near lakes and rivers in Africa. Number 5, what do hippos like doing? They like swimming and eating plants. Number 6, how many hippos can live in one group? They can be 100 hippos in one group. It is really very easy to get the answers from the passage by reading it twice. First of all, my dear pupils, I want to give you the tip how to answer the questions on any comprehension. First of all, what do? We have the passage and the questions under. Number 1, we need to read the questions very well, so we will be able to get the answers from the passage and then read the passage or the text twice and then start answering the questions. This is all for today, my dear pupils. See you next time.